What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we've got a banger. So as you guys can see, Big Blue is out getting absolutely dirty. Now, I came to get some burgers. The burgers were like 30 minutes away, and I thought it was super close to this trail that I swallowed a bug. This trail is probably the closest trail to me. I thought it was gonna be like 30 minutes away from the burger spot. It was actually an hour and 30 away from the burger spot, but we're here because otherwise it would have been like 2-3 hours away. Why not feed two birds with one scone? So in today's video, we're gonna be off-roading Big Blue with 285 75 R16 tires, lifted on Bilsteins with JBA upper control arms. We're gonna be giving it the works. Did I air down? No. Should I have air down? Probably. Am I gonna air down? No. No. So we've gotten pretty far, I guess you could say, into the trail, at least as far as I want to go. The rest of this stuff seems like rock crawling. Look, buddy, call me a mall crawler, but I thought I heard something. But some of this stuff is not right for my truck to go up. Like right here, check this out. We're going, I don't know how to show you this, but like this rock is up to my knee. I don't know if you guys can see that. So let's just eyeball it. Okay, it looks like my truck could do it, but it's scary. If you remember, on this trail, Sandy broke the quicksand. So I don't want to find out if it'll break the Voodoo Blue because she is going to be driving the way back. So if she rolls down this way, yeah, we probably won't see the truck again. But then that means we get to get a new truck. Oh, but we'd lose Sandy. So she's about to get in, Papa Yui. And we're gonna head back on home. Are you excited?
Super.
Also, I'll show you guys how narrow it gets and how much paint is being chipped off. Look, the problem with off-roading is how much it damages the truck for no reason. If this trail was well maintained, then it would be perfectly fine. I would do this every weekend, but it's not. I feel like we started off this truck at 100% Voodoo Blueness. But every time it chips, I feel like we lose a percentage of Voodoo Blue. And I paid for all Voodoo Blue. I'm gonna record, but I will leave the sound. I won't play any music because I know there's some people who don't like the music, but we'll do this. We're about to off-road Big Blue. All right, you ready?
Yep.
All right, so she's coming now. This right here is probably like the hardest part just because it's super mushy. It's kind of deep and it wasn't fun coming in, but we'll see how it is getting out. The truck did it absolutely no problem. I don't know if you guys can see how deep that is. Obviously on camera, it's never gonna show how deep it actually is. but it's a pretty deep jump. And absolutely no problemo. Yeah, I love these trucks. These trucks, completely stock, okay? I think completely stock would have made that, but just being lifted and being able to do it that much easier, oh, so good. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. Right here, the truck is about to get scraped up. And of course we're gonna let Sandy do it, because if it gets scraped, it's Sandy's fault, right? I think that's how it works, probably not. Look at that, I mean, Oh, it's so dusty. And we made it out. So how was it?
It was so fun.
Guys, I literally can't get in the truck.
Dude, that was so much fun.
You were in four-wheel drive?
Oh yeah. I'm driving no two-wheel drive car.
All right, so I guess first question, did this one do better than the quicksand truck?
Yes.
I think it did as well. Obviously, I know there's people who, oh, this is my driveway. Okay, buddy, whatever. If you're a weekend warrior, this setup is absolutely perfect. Did way more than I needed it to do. But let's walk around it now to see how bad the damage was. So I guess let's start from this panel and we'll go back.
You telling me you've been driving with that useless spare tire under there this whole time?
Yeah. You did good, Blue, you did good.
There's no damage.
There's no damage. But there's another trail called Flagpole. That one, I did take the quicksand. It was on 285s, lifted, so on and so forth. That trail destroyed my truck. From the front to the back, I mean, absolutely killed the truck's paint, the windows, everything. It was fun. I enjoyed the truck. Now it's time to get home safe. I did hear some rubbing up front. I don't know what it is. Something tells me this wheel is scraping on something in here. Is there something that it could scrape in here? I don't know. It's like extremely close. Like I don't think I could fit a piece of paper through there. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, a like, a comment, and a subscription would be greatly appreciated. We're on the road to 1 million. You guys already know the dealio, man. We just crossed 4,000, and it would be much appreciated if you supported the channel. Anyways, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Mayo. Peace. Let me know if you guys went out on any trails. How was it? Did you break anything? Did you get home safely? Let me know down below.